Pass this harem, bro. I ain't having no harem like that.
Oh damn, but like smash.
Okay, what about the developer?
What the fuck?
Wait, what?
What about the developer?
We were just checking here to look at all the
Pass.
Pass,
The art.
pass,
Smash.
smash, pass, pass. Smash
know
that
that
Wu-Tang looking
artistic.
ass.
Dude, this one
Hey.
looks really realistic.
Oh, we don't need to go
Smash
back
this
to
one?
lobby. We just press play right here. As we're here.
Would you smash or pass this one though?
Huh?
This one, smash or pass?
This one?
Oh my god,
I say
babe.
smash. Wait, Mythic,
Pass.
come here, Mythic.
He's
Mythic.
gonna ask you some questions.
Yeah, I'm in the
Oh,
art
I was this one.
gallery
I
at
was
the
this one right here.
moment.
No,
Smash.
Alright, we
art
could-
gallery. Come back into the
This
art
one,
gallery.
smash, bro. Smash, easy smash.
Jesus.
Come over here.
How about
You see
Michael
this one?
Jackson, bro?
Smash,
Right.
smash,
Michael
smash,
Jackson.
What does smash
Michael
or
Jackson.
pass mean?
Oh, you never played.
Smash your pass. Just say smash
What am I
your
saying?
pass.
Pass.
It means like,
Oh, bro, smash your pass. is basically
fuck
like,
yes or
smash
no.
means you'd have. Smash means you shove your we'll have sex. with
No,
you,
no,
and
no,
pass
that's-
is a new profile picture.
Right, I changed my name and my profile picture.
So what?
I'm not even looking. Bro.
Jesus
Look at
Christ,
it.
Elias.
I can't look at it.
Why?
Wait, let me see. Dick Rider. Oh my god.
And
Literally.
And then the profile
Shows
picture
most critical riding on his dick mobile.
Okay, Epic. We inside the house.
Nice.
Dick
Boo, boo,
mobile.
boo, boo, boo. Dude, I wonder who died. I wonder like why there's flowers here.
Who got
Okay, Epic.
Wu
lead the
Tang,
way,
bro.
Epic.
Wu Tang.
I'll go upstairs first.
Why does carpet sound so gooey and gushy, like it's wet or something? I think I'm a little wet.
Shut off.
You shut up.
Yeah, bro. Shut up. I'm gonna call you recording. Ah, look, brother.
I
Wait,
am.
Dougie's recording?
I
Dougie,
think.
you're recording?
Right, guys?
Dougie, you're recording? You're recording your children in your basement, you little
Oh,
fat fuck. And that's- Oh, I guess we... Can we go
A
in
bunch
here?
of clocks.
You have never been in here, bro?
No. Oh my, loud as hell.
What the dog?
I've
I've never been in here before, what the Flamgo, that balloon is just creepy, bro. All I saw was just darkness, and I just see it freaking walking around the couch, the freaking table. We have to go back upstairs and find the key. There was one room we didn't go into.
No shit, I love it. Okay, guys, I think it's
Among
3 a.m.,
Us.
guys.
Epic! Epic!
Yeah,
Come here.
I'm here. I'm here.
Come here. Wait, is that the key? No, that's not the key. Look. Flamgo!
I've been
Flamgo, get
doing
back!
here.
Flamgo!
It is the bathroom.
Epic!
Yeah.
What is going on, bro?
Wrong. Over,
Among Us.
over here, but
What's going on?
Wow, look at this
Look.
beautiful artwork.
Come on, this way, over here. You didn't go into the bathroom.
Oh, I got the bleach, I got the bleach, I got the bleach.
wow.
Okay.
You wanna come to the shower with me? You wanna take a shower
Yep.
together?
No.
No!
Yeah, that's
That is a fat
weird.
sumo wrestler, baby.
Epic, open,
Oh, shit.
open. Epic, come back.
Look at them
come back.
arm. Oh my
Back to the room,
god.
please.
Bigger forearms than me.
Anybody wanna get in bed with
I
me?
play Osu.
Max,
Hey.
get in
Yeah.
bed with me.
Follow the
Max.
bunny
I turn on
man.
the lights.
Max, get in bed. Come
Wait,
on.
What do I open?
Destroy right here.
No, no.
There we go, I got the key.
Let's go to
No.
the shower together.
Back to the door. We need the key.
What?
What's your graphics at?
I don't even know, bro.
Yeah, I don't even know either.
Down.
No shit
Bro,
down.
your stream runs better than my game. My FPS. Oh my god, but FPS in your stream is better than FPS when I'm in the game, bro.
I'm at like freaking 30 FPS right now, boy. I hate it.
I don't like the FPS. I have my computer is dying.
You mean your laptop?
Yeah. Computer, laptop. same
Epic
thing,
by
bro.
far is the best laptop.
I don't know.
I don't know, bro. But if I put it all the way up,
Hey,
I'm pretty sure it's running like
I got the key. Do it. The key is right here. Epic.
60
Behind me.
FPS.
I don't even know what mine
60
is running
at
on, but
55.
It's really trash. That's all I know. It's like moves like.
I don't know.
Where is it again?
Over here.
Stuff.
Tucky,
Write that down,
your fat self was on top of the key.
Why is it
Oh.
Baddies, back to the thing? I'm getting myself stuck to the car.
Yeah, because you're fat like that.
Epic.
Wrong way.
We're going
Oh,
to
look at these
basement now,
nameplates.
where we house the children. Tucky, don't look at me like I'm pointing it at you. I'm not pointing nothing at you. I'm just saying this is where we house the kids.
I'm gonna go down
Tucky's
here.
house, by the way.
Look at all that.
We're here.
Oh, look at her.
Epic, come here.
Crowbar. Epic, come over here. I already got the crowbar down.
Oh, Flamgo, come on. What the heck?
Ow.
You have to let him do it. Flamgo, get back. Stay back. Let Epic go first. Wait, over here.
Epic, I already did the crowbar thing.
Cause he's a dumbass. He got a brick dropped on his head not too long ago.
No,
Yeah,
I
he did. His head has a dent in it.
Yo, I wonder who's
Michael Jackson,
used.
Michael Jackson, is that really you?
Yeesh.
Michael Jackson, what are you doing to me?
There you go.
No.
Damn, Flamgo, you was lagging.
I wasn't doing anything.
I know. I've been having so much regular lag
Epic,
spikes.
There's a room I
I
haven't
hate
here.
it.
This door.
And also I be having lag spikes,
Who
bruh.
who got the key?
trees and
Okay, do you have FPS lag spike?
Oh, well,
Okay, do you have FPS spikes usually?
No.
Like a like
Going
your
up or
screen
going
just
down?
randomly just like completely freezes.
No.
That what happens?
bro, Michael Jackson, was that you?
That was it.
Yeah, we just walked over the
Yeah,
side.
like
That was
more
pretty easy.
imposters.
No.
I don't even get why that part takes so much of your GPU. Like, why, bro?
Cucky, get back. Flamgo,
Water
get
down
back.
the video,
Cucky,
the video.
Flamgo, get back.
Alright, man, I got the lantern that
Flamgo,
none of y'all
what
have,
are you
bro.
doing?
I got the lantern none of y'all have, bro.
Oh, the 2 times lantern.
Your body with Robux. Your body with Robux.
Yeah, don't even work.
You're useless.
How much did you get it for?
I don't know. Less than
And don't forget, you
Less than $1.
You can run.
oh, you can run now.
Give me a spoon.
Well,
Epic run.
no,
Higuero.
I just continue.
Let Epic lead, party people.
Alright, man. You don't need to follow me.
So I've got to climb it up to the pit.
Can I do that too?
No,
Where you at?
I can't. Over here.
No.
Cucky, don't go running off getting whatever you need to get. Follow Epic. Flamgo, where are you going? Get back
I'm
here.
going to the women's bathroom.
Alias.
Trying to find any missing
Whoa,
pants.
why are you both in the women's bathroom, you little sussy imposter?
I'm in the women's bathroom.
Epic. There's nothing in the
those-
cafeteria.
Oh, epic, epic, epic.
Hey, you don't need to tell him that.
Sorry.
Over here.
Yeah, you gotta show Epic what it looks like.
We just have to let Epic do what he wants to do. Just follow him.
Well,
He
we
will
need
be the leader.
show. Epic, come back.
Okay, I'll
There
go
was
Zaza all around this
No,
place.
it's fine.
There was a buffalo.
Epic, run! Epic! Epic!
Oh, whoops,
Oh,
I ran the wrong
wait.
way.
Oh, he died!
Elias? Well, it doesn't matter. I saw another one.
Epic, where you going? Oh, he going into the bathroom? Oh, I
Over
guess
here,
not.
Epic.
We already got all the bathrooms.
Butterfly.
This is a
Shut up,
buffalo
let
look
Epic get
like. Wait here.
I'm gonna let
You're right,
Epic get
yes.
all 13.
Yes.
Epic, epic. You're not gonna see the bub. Fucking bitch, Elias. Well, the butterflies we have to collect,
Open the
and
door.
then
Open the door.
Yeah,
white-
Every door, or most doors,
Okay, right here.
and a couple outside.
Epic, come here. Epic. Epic.
on the
Epic.
shelf.
Epic, right here. Collect the butterfly.
Why is he different in normal mode?
Because
I don't know.
isn't he like Michael Jackson?
I don't
Where is
know.
he at?
That's fine with me. Oh.
Where is this cute? Oh my god, he's right there.
Got him, though.
What the hell?
Oh my god.
What happened?
Epic, did you hide?
No, I'm running.
He doesn't come over here.
Where are you?
Yeah, if he's chasing you, you can't hide in the lockers.
Oh, what?
I
He opened it.
saw Bluebird die.
He wasn't chasing me though.
Oh.
I think he just opens them as he's passing by or something. I don't know how this dumb thing works.
Ice cream so good. Cookies and cream. Black people and white people.
What the hell?
He's upstairs.
Yeah, but
No wonder it's so easy to tell if he's upstairs or downstairs in normal mode.
Oh, he's downstairs.
No, he's not.
oh god, I'm getting chased. I'm getting chased.
now
Oh,
he's.
run. Hurry, open the door, Ducky! Get in! Okay, we did it.
Let's see his jumps here. So baby.
Not that good.
Okay, I found the key. Must have already collected it.
Oh, what the hell, Max?
What?
I was just running around and I freaking found you. Okay, I have key 2 and key 3.
Wouldn't you? Ah, he's chasing me! Big booty
Run,
hole.
Ducky.
Oh,
Damn it,
Epic.
Nikki
I got it,
3.
I got it. Ducky, I got it.
Soon.
I have key 3 too.
He's gonna be coming upstairs or
You open
downstairs.
the key
in a
3
little
door.
bit. Oh, he's downstairs. Epic, go, Epic. In here. Epic.
Oh,
Oh.
he's... Okay, I'm here.
I got for being chilling we are.
Okay.
Oh. I'm gonna go get his jump scare. We're up, big boy.
Where's the
He's
other door?
speed running at this point.
Close an
No,
old
he's
grandpa.
probably downstairs. Oh,
No, it's upstairs.
I found it.
I need to activate my hockey and my observation hockey and activate my conqueror's
Literally.
hockey to defeat him.
No, I
I
didn't get a
found-
jump scare.
Nah.
Okay, it's fine.
I
Okay.
found one of the butterflies next to a locker. I was just running around.
I opened
saw
the
it.
last door.
Max,
Was it downstairs?
What do you want?
if you,
That's-
if you,
Epic got it. Last one downstairs.
Epic got the
Right, I
last
thought of
butterfly.
that.
Yeah, I got the last butterfly.
Let's get cookie copyrighted. I got black, I got white. 2572,
Dude, they made
2572.
that entire beautiful place just for it to be like a little walk.
2573, man.
Come on, Epic, upstairs.
2573.
6.
2573.
2.
2573.
410,
We get
49,
the
410,
spirit
49, 410, 46,
for this one.
410, 46,
2573.
425, 49, 9, 495, 49, 9. Epic, can you read Romeo?
Epic, go.
Can you read that?
2573.
Sir.
Oh, you can't even read that.
Onto
We should
this
find
I
out.
door.
learned Roman numerals in school.
Open the door.
Romeo.
I don't even know Romeo, but
Romeo and Juliet.
Wait,
Max, get back.
Romeo is 4 lines, right? I forgot.
You
No, it's
all
1v.
went from Epic, dude.
1v, bro. Look at those rooms, bro. It's nice.
Piece of blood.
Tucky, what are you doing?
Bro, you see the whole thing.
Like there's no jump scares. I know you just wanted to do the experience. Hey, you put it in wrong, bro.
Interact.
You got the key?
Oh, Epic, you.
I got a jump scare.
Yeah, it appears on this door. You guys get the key?
Yes.
Yeah. Where's the door at?
Across from the golden door.
No cielo,
Hello, Ciento.
Pressing D.
Why y'all keep going, bro? Why y'all keep going front, bro? What's wrong with y'all?
Shut up,
Now,
I'm
Epic.
just
Now we go
I'm just
sprint
paraplegic.
all the way.
I'm a
Those
paraplegic.
hands are trying to freaking.
A paraplegic, used by the United States of America. And this is what nature, that's it for all.
We got this.
Oh, you're gonna get DNCA'd. By the
Okay,
end of the video.
6 cursed items and burn
Yeah,
them
this
in
one.
the white
This is what it
flame.
looks like. It's literally a butterfly there.
Use the bushes to hide and don't get caught
I'm
in
hiding,
going in
bro. I'm
one.
hiding.
Oh God, Max.
I'm hiding.
La
Whoa.
la la
La la la la
Yeah,
la.
This is the
I
bush.
already got one.
La 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 la. You guys see him?
Nope. If you want to go in the middle fast,
Been spending most of my life living
know, bro.
in a gangster's paradise.
Paradise. Oh, you're gonna get copyrighted by the end of the video.
fucking hell.
Wait, why are we having trouble dying?
Isn't that giant centipede in this chapter?
No, that's in chapter 3. This is mimic lore, the mimic lore. Except the developers are better at making boss fights.
Like that giant black world that we're in, like
Oh,
similar to
I need to
Crash
take a
Bandicoot.
shower. That nigga was staring at me at school.
How come you haven't taken a shower, man?
What do you mean?
Yeah, but what's wrong with you? You haven't taken a shower?
Max, you're the type of person to take morning showers and nighttime showers.
Not really.
Who takes morning showers, bro?
People can't.
That's
A lot
a
of
waste
people
of time.
Hey, who's this noob?
You're just bound to get dirty.
I haven't seen the part where the
Man, who's this noob here? Who's this noob? Who knew?
Oh no, why's my game frozen? Why's my game frozen?
Oh hell no, Max.
Right.
running away.
Noob.
He's a noob.
Kill the
Slice
noob.
his ass.
Hey, wait for Epic, bro. Hey, wait for Epic.
No, you're calling me a noob.
Freaking noob.
You called me in again. I'm running.
I want someone to noob, like saying the N-word.
At least the spider likes me.
Hey,
At
Matt,
least the
my
spider
dad said hi.
likes me.
Oh, hey. I might say hi.
What the hell is that spike?
I'm running away. Yeah.
You never run away.
Oh, look at them up there, bro. These tweakers.
Stop, get away.
Put that there.
Get away.
What are you doing, bro? You
Stay
freaking
away.
noob. Oh, look,
You're
we're
noob.
inside. Okay, this is we have to destroy like
There's a noob.
5 hearts.
Keep yourself
We have
away
to kill the
from me.
noob.
Keep
We have to kill the
distance.
noob.
We have to kill them.
Yeah, we need murder the
Anyway, there's
noob.
like what 5 hearts around the map. 1 middle and
3.
4 and like
Dum-dum.
I mean 3. Oh. Huh? Yeah, what's up?
There's one over here. Oh.
One in the
Where are
middle.
the hearts at?
Heart. Wait, no, it's not in the middle.
one
Freaking
over
false
here.
negativity.
Where are all the
Let's
hearts
go,
at?
run.
Alias.
The monster's like a spider lady. You wanna be real quick. And when you hear it, you hide in these lockers. Epic. Oh,
But it.
epic.
Well, yeah, epic.
I'm coming
How's
back.
this fucking noob here?
Freaking
Get
dude.
away from me.
L loser.
Oh, you are here.
Oh, run! Right.
Get away from me.
What the heck?
What?
No!
Oh.
You dumbass!
I could not outrun her.
Why is it so fast?
Oscar, be quiet.
Why do you sleep?
Huh? I don't know, but shut up.
Okay. Bloober, why you do that? That was.
Max, why you naked like that? What?
It's not.
Am I naked, bro?
No.
Wait, Max, stay still,
Right.
stay still. Wait. Hold up.
Shut up. Since the one with your fake muscle shirt and booty shorts.
What are you talking about? I actually got muscle.
No way, like 2 different colors then.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, hell no.
Texture on you, bro. You're like.
Dang, what the fuck?
Oh, well, yeah, why is my texture like that in the image?
What the hell?
Which way should I go?
Right.
It's
we have one right.
a close up.
Dang.
So rough.
I hear Bluebird hitting one.
Yeah, I'm chopping away at this dumb hoe.
Hard work
Hard work.
Can't believe
Oh,
you get us
One
killed,
in the
Bluebird.
middle, I think.
There's none in the middle.
Where?
I'm getting chased?
Oh no.
Epic.
You're such an L.
Epic. No.
Phil got my ass. Eat shit.
Sir chasing me?
These lockers are
Get
so
away
dog
from
food.
me! Get away from me, you spider bitch!
Pull up. Hard work.
You found it? Where was it?
Bob the
Oh,
Builder.
didn't.
Yeah,
When?
we fixed
Oh,
it.
dude, I
Bob
thought
the
you were saying
Builder.
hard work.
Yes, we can.
Cocky.
Hard work. Hard work.
Right behind you
This is
guys.
literally too easy.
Hard work. Hard work.
I hear.
Alright, you go marching forward. Don't ever let a spider kill you, bruh.
Run. Run. Get the heart.
shit.
Oh. Alright, come on. Come
Stay
here.
out. Stay out.
No. Close it. Ah!
Hard work.
You
Hard
breathe so
work.
loud.
Man, y'all are babies.
Don't come crying when she finds you.
What? I've literally destroyed
Let's
an
save
whole
that.
heart by myself.
Yeah.
A whole heart.
Oh, hang on, I'm coming.
Oh, it's over here.
Let's go.
work, hard work, hard
I only died once.
work,
And I filled one whole
hard
heart by myself.
Hard work. Is it boss fight?
Oh my.
Hard work.
Boss fight.
Just fucking tweaker.
Sorry, I'm Trent.
I don't know why they add this, bro. I'm gonna go on. I think we should
What
respawn.
the hell we just spawned in? What the hell?
Yeah, we could just spawn, bro. It doesn't really matter.
Hard work.
Yeah, this is not hard to be more cautious, but like, does it look like I care?
Do we respawn? Oh yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
Hard work.
There's a strat to this,
Get oh god.
By the way.
No.
it's not, it's not just spray and pray.
Hard work. Yes, it is.
I'm lagging.
Epic, oh, your sword out, Epic.
Uh-oh, she creamed.
Epic,
me.
what? You have a
Put
sword?
up. Press. Oh dang!
Ah, wait, Epic, do you have a sword?
I'm
Oh,
oh, no,
yeah.
it's that.
Wait, is this a lantern for
Get
this?
out of here.
Oh yeah, this is a trial
Oh, no,
too,
you
by the
gotta
way.
cut-
You can play this in the game mode.
She hella
Ah,
jumping.
you died. What? Ah!
I am 1 HP.
Shut up, Dougie. Nobody cares.
Nobody cares,
heal.
bro.
You don't need to
Why
heal.
are you healing, Dougie? Oh, I need to heal,
Dude, I
guys.
spawned in and I'm gonna have.
I need to heal, guys. I need to heal. Oh yeah, this is their invulnerability phase, right?
Yeah, I'm dead.
She webs you. This is really RNG, not RGB.
You suck. That's why you died.
And she has a little damage hitbox that stays there for like a second once you attack. It's really stupid.
Uh-oh, we got wet.
This is a really delayed AoE. It's really delayed AoE. It's really stupid.
Fucking shit.
They really need. Why couldn't they fix this, huh? Out of anything else in the game. They fixed the
Wake
boss
up
fight.
from the reality.
Why are you
Fucking bitch.
Second phase. She's even more cracked on crack.
Is she
Oh, yeah.
She attacks faster. I wonder stressing on this part, like.
Yep.
I don't get how people do this on Nightmare mode. The trial? Yeah,
we
this
did
is.
Nightmare mode.
I did this in Nightmare. But we haven't done all of chapter 4 Nightmare.
Dang, Max saw you flashed away.
Epic, watch out.
Get his ass, get his ass.
Stupid enemy has such weird hitboxes. I don't know if I'm hitting it or not, bro. Why couldn't they just make a precise like hitbox?
Slice his ass.
I'm not precise, I swear.
Please, almost.
Come on, you can do it.
Wow, how many times have we died?
Dang, you did on the cockpit, Max.
Died like 12 times, bro.
I died once.
No one has this thing forever. You call touchy call.
Yeah, Dougie, stop taking on the butterfly.
Dang,
Hey,
man.
Nightmare, bro.
We reached
Oh, you got
Yay!
What do you guys want to do, huh? Epic, it's epic choice.
What do I do?
Epic
One
choice.
more time.
Oh.
Kill-sama is the one who's controlling all the puppets. Save your parents. I'll give you a hint.
Kill Sama.
Yeah. Good choice, man. Oh my god.
Have we ever saved our parents?
I don't know.
I don't know, bro. The hell? And like, what he used to school.
Whoa.
Oh my god, look at a bunch of hands.
Damn.
Oh, you getting gulped up, bro. Oh. And scissors. You let your parents do this, yeah, everything normal, at least for now. Honestly, I'm starting to forget the lore of the mimic. Actually, I don't even know what the lore is. I don't even know what's going on anymore.
We should read up on the lore.
I don't care about the lore no more.
End of
End of
book
book
1.
One. And they're working on book 2. There's only one chapter of book 2 right now.
Right now.
Yeah.
We're still working on the second one.
Second one looks crazy. I got the
We're
window.
working on their
I
Dead
got
by
the window,
Daylight
bro.
kind of game. There's gonna be fire. There's gonna be an actual good one instead of like the only actual one which freaking survive the killers.
Be right back.
Epic still
Are
on
we gonna
play?
play the next one or are we done?
Yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm gonna have a snack and then I might play something else.
Oh, okay.
We should play Steep Steps.
No!